Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Canva. Alright, so go to canva.com and log into your account. And once you're done with that, go ahead and click on create a design. So for example, let's just choose this whiteboard and then go to uploads. So if you have an image here, so I'll choose this for example. Then click on edit image. Now you can see here you can go ahead and click on background remover, or you can just lighten up the brightness, the contrast, and the saturation. You can adjust that or going down or going up, and then you can just go ahead and choose with what would you like, what filter would you like to use. Then the intensity, the photogenic, for example, let's use this, and then smart mockups. Or no, I'm kidding. Let's just use this one. Okay, and that's it. You can auto enhance, auto focus, face retouch. You can do a lot of things in Canva. All right, so I hope that this video helped you. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.